As a former immigrant, let's talk about immigration and Trump. Trump is fighting illegal immigrants. However, until he will do what he talked about 11 days ago, until I don't see a reform on this perspective, he only did his partial job. One side, he wants to fight illegal immigration. On the other, he wants to pump up legal immigration, which I believe this is a pretty correct approach. Let's bring more people in, but figure out who's coming in and allow them to work, especially if they're worthy of working here. What I mean with worthy, if they can bring a GDP, if they can work in a niche that is necessary in America, etc., etc. He talked about waiters, he talks about electricians, plumbers, he talks about people that are working in specialized sections. Make the H-1B visa process more accessible, which right now is literally a lottery and pretty expensive for companies. As per now, he's only fighting illegal immigration. He only talked about illegal immigration. He hasn't done anything yet. And until he will not push that reform, he's only doing half of the job, which means that I will only partially agree with what he's doing right now. However, we can say that he partially started to work on what he promised. I will keep on watching the news, seeing statements, and seeing if anything goes through Congress about this, because this, I believe, is one of the most important reforms in the past 20 years, if it gets passed, if it gets created.